variety of pies? What like, can you talk about what?
If you walk in on a Saturday or Sunday on the weekends when we have the most, there can be between 24 and 30 different flavors on that board. Every one of them is made by hand that day, that morning. And there's cream pies, there's fruit pies, there's the lemon pies. There's so many different pies that people are astonished. And then there's the 6-inch pies, the pie cookies, all the other baked goods, the scotcheroos. Oh, the scotcheroos. And then we also have a full lunch menu. And it's all made from scratch right here.
What do we have here today?
So we have raisin sour cream. So raisin sour cream is a really old-fashioned pie that you don't see very often.
Yeah.
I am not a raisin fan. I love that pie. It's incredible.
Yeah.
It's kind of like grandma's house. It's like bread pudding meets pie. It's incredible. This is that double lemon pie that put us on the map. This is the pie you just made upstairs.
So good.
This is the blackberry raspberry.
Blackberry raspberry.
Yeah.
I think we should begin with the pie that
Go
really,
for it, yes.
And it's really pretty, isn't it?
It is
so,
gorgeous.
Talk about the ingredient again.
So it's a classic lemon chess pie. So it's a dense custard pie with this intense lemony house-made English lemon curd on top. And what really sets it apart is that crust. So see what you think. It's incredibly popular. We do this and a same base with lingonberries that we import from Sweden.
It's so smooth and so
There's
just enough
sweet and tart.
and it's so good. And as you said, it's the crust, isn't it? And is there a secret?
There is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
there is.